Hello, in this video we will talk about most important scheme in India, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2025, also known as PMAY. If you want to know how to apply online, check eligibility or understand how subsidy works, make sure you watch this video till end. What is Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana? PMAY is flagship scheme of Government of India launched in 2015. The main aim of this scheme is to provide affordable housing to every Indian family by the year 2025. It has two parts: PMAY Urban for people living in cities, PMAY Gramin for people living in rural areas. Who can apply eligibility criteria? You must be an Indian citizen. You should not already own a permanent house in your name or your family's name. Your family income should fall within one of these criteria. Economical weaker section up to 3 lakh per year. Low income group 3 to 6 lakh per year. 6 to 12 lakhs per year MIG 1. MIG second 12 lakh to 18 lakh per year. You must have valid Aadhaar card and bank account. Benefits of PMAY. Under this scheme, eligible people can get interest subsidy on home loans up to 2.67 lakhs through the Credit Linked Subsidy Scheme (CLSS). Financial assistance for building, purchasing or renovating a house. Priority for women applicants, differently abled citizens, environment-friendly and sustainable housing department. How to apply online? Let's look at online application process step by step. If you are urban, visit this website pmaymis.gov.in and click on menu and click on PMAY Urban. After entering to this website, click on apply for PMAY Urban. After entering to this website, login as applicant login. Enter your Aadhaar number and enter your name. If you are rural, visit this website. Please wait, it's an technical error. Or directly search as Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin. After entering to this website, click on this and click on, first of all you have to make registration. Enter your mobile number, enter state and click on check mark on agreements and register. After register, login into here, enter your mobile number and while you are registering you will set the MPIN and enter MPIN. Same way for urban also. After entering login into the website, enter your Aadhaar number and verify it. Fill your details such as name, address, income and bank information. Upload necessary documents like ID proof, income proof and property details. Submit the form and download the acknowledgement slip with your application number. You can use number later to check your application status. For PMAY Gramin rural areas, same you can use this. If you are live in rural areas, visit this website, enter your details and Aadhaar number to see is in the PMAY Gramin list. Beneficiaries are selected based on the socio-economic caste census. To check application status, visit pmaymis.gov.in. Go to track your assessment status, enter your Aadhaar number or application ID to view your approval or subsidy status. Important dates and updates. The government has extended the PMAY Urban scheme till December 2025. So if you haven't applied it yet, this is the right time. So this was the complete guide on Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2025 from eligibility to application process and benefits. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more updates on government schemes, education and scholarships.